Cardamom, often called the Queen of Spices, is a fragrant spice with a long history of use in both cooking and traditional medicine. It comes from the seed pods of a plant in the ginger family. Cardamom has a warm, slightly sweet flavor that is often described as a mix of citrus and mint. It is a common ingredient in Indian, Middle Eastern, and Scandinavian cuisine. Cardamom is not only delicious but also boasts an impressive array of health benefits. It is a good source of antioxidants, which help protect the body from damage caused by harmful molecules called free radicals. Free radicals are a natural byproduct of metabolism, but their levels can increase due to factors like pollution, stress, and an unhealthy diet. When there are too many free radicals in the body, they can start to damage cells and contribute to aging and diseases. Antioxidants like those found in cardamom help to neutralize free radicals. This can help to protect the body from oxidative stress and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Beyond its antioxidant properties, cardamom has been traditionally used to aid digestion, freshen breath, and even potentially help manage blood sugar levels. This essay will explore the numerous health benefits of cardamom, with a particular focus on its potential role in managing diabetes. We will delve into the science behind these benefits, discuss how cardamom can be incorporated into a diabetic-friendly diet, and address other ways this versatile spice can improve overall health and well-being. Diabetes is a chronic condition that affects how your body regulates blood sugar, also known as glucose. Glucose is the primary source of energy for your body's cells. In type 2 diabetes, the body either doesn't produce enough insulin or doesn't use it effectively. Insulin is a hormone that helps your body use glucose for energy. When insulin isn't working properly, glucose can build up in the bloodstream, leading to a variety of health problems. Research suggests that cardamom may play a beneficial role in managing diabetes by improving insulin sensitivity. Insulin sensitivity refers to how responsive your cells are to the effects of insulin. Improved insulin sensitivity allows your cells to use glucose more effectively, preventing it from building up in your bloodstream. Studies have shown that cardamom may help lower blood sugar levels after meals in people with type 2 diabetes. While more research is needed to fully understand the mechanisms involved, these preliminary findings suggest that cardamom could be a valuable tool in managing diabetes as part of a comprehensive treatment plan. Cardamom has long been recognized for its digestive benefits, particularly in traditional medicine systems like Ayurveda. It contains compounds that may help stimulate digestive enzymes, which are essential for breaking down food and absorbing nutrients. Cardamom is often used to relieve digestive discomfort such as bloating, gas, and indigestion. The compounds in cardamom may also help relax the muscles in the digestive tract, which can ease cramping and promote regularity. This can be particularly helpful for individuals with irritable bowel syndrome, a common disorder that affects the large intestine. In addition to its effects on digestion, cardamom may also help soothe nausea and vomiting. This makes it a popular remedy for morning sickness during pregnancy and for nausea associated with motion sickness or chemotherapy. While more research is needed to confirm these effects, the traditional use of cardamom for digestive support is well established. Section 4. Cardamom for a healthy metabolism and weight management. A healthy metabolism is essential for maintaining a healthy weight and overall well-being. Your metabolism is the process by which your body converts food into energy. A faster metabolism means your body burns more calories at rest, making it easier to lose or maintain weight. Several factors influence metabolism, including age, genetics, and activity level. While cardamom is not a magic weight loss solution, it may support a healthy metabolism in several ways. First, its ability to improve insulin sensitivity can help regulate blood sugar levels, preventing spikes and crashes that can lead to cravings and overeating. Second, cardamom's digestive benefits may contribute to better nutrient absorption, ensuring your body gets the energy it needs from the food you eat. Third, some studies suggest that cardamom may have a thermogenic effect, meaning it slightly increases calorie expenditure as your body processes it. Section 5. Other benefits of cardamom: heart, oral, and cognitive health. Beyond its impact on diabetes and digestion, cardamom offers a range of additional health benefits. For heart health, cardamom may help lower blood pressure, a major risk factor for heart disease. It may also improve cholesterol levels by reducing LDL or bad cholesterol and increasing HDL or good cholesterol. For oral health, Cardamom has antimicrobial properties that may help fight bacteria in the mouth, promoting fresh breath and potentially reducing the risk of cavities. And for cognitive function, some studies suggest that cardamom may improve alertness and cognitive performance, potentially due to its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects on the brain. While more research is needed to fully understand these benefits, the evidence so far suggests that cardamom can be a valuable addition to a healthy lifestyle. Section 6. Incorporating cardamom into your diet. Incorporating cardamom into your diet is easy and enjoyable. Its warm, slightly sweet flavor complements both sweet and savory dishes. Here are some practical tips. Spice up your beverages by adding a pinch of ground cardamom to your coffee, tea, or smoothies for a fragrant and flavorful boost. Enhance your baking, as cardamom is a delicious addition to cakes, cookies, and bread. It pairs particularly well with other warm spices like cinnamon and nutmeg, and elevate your savory dishes as cardamom adds depth and complexity to curries, stews, and rice dishes. Try adding a few pods to your next pot of rice or lentil soup. Remember to consult with a healthcare professional for personalized advice on managing diabetes and incorporating cardamom into your diet safely and effectively.